I have this simple project here with a Docker Compose file, and in this Docker Compose file, I'm mapping host port 3306 to the container port 3306. You can have any port mapped here instead of the ports that I have right now. And if you get an error like this, when you try to build Docker container, so the error that I'm getting is error response from Daemon, ports are not available. So the problem here is we are trying to expose host port 3306 and map it to port 3306 inside the container, but the port 3306 is already being used in our host system. So how can we fix this? So the first thing is we can change the port here. We can change it to, let's say, 3307, 3307, and here also let's change the port to 3307 and then try to run this, and this issue will be fixed. But if you must use the port here that is being already used in your operating system, what you can do is find out the process that is using this port and kill that process. So let's see how we can do this. Enter this command, netstat-ano, pipe symbol, find str, colon, and then your port number. Now this will give you the process that is using this port number. So we have process 20560 that is using this port. So what we can do is we can kill this process, and if we run this again, it will work. So to kill the process that is using our port 3306, you need to open command prompt in administrator mode. So open command prompt in administrator mode and enter this command, task kill / capital PID, and then the port number that is 20560, 20560, and then / capital F. Hit enter, and this process will be killed. As you can see from the message, the process with PID, this has been terminated. If you try to check the process that are using the port 3306, this time there are no processes. Now you can run the docker compose command again, and this time again, as you can see, the container is successfully running and the port being used is 3306. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.